So what are we videotaping now?
Me doing no training wheels on my bike.
You doing no training wheels on your bike. Okay, let me go down by the end of the street so I could see the whole thing.
Oh, wait.
Let's see if you can make it all the way down here.
On your marks, get set, go!
She's doing it, doing it, doing it. No training wheels at all. And she pedals and pedals and pedals. Look at that, no falling, great balance. Not even one training wheel at all. Look at her go.
So fast. I bet she will turn around fast. Or go on, grab it.
It's okay. Woohoo!
Come back.
No training wheels. Thank you, bye.
Oh no, we're not finished yet. You want to put this on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe not, I don't know.
You still video?
I'm still videoing, yes.
Okay.
You're coming right into the screen.
Make sure you do not turn this video off.
Make sure I do not turn it off.
Uh-huh.
All the way right up to here.
Alright.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Make sure you watch this video because it's very long. Thank you. Bye.